everyone. Now, welcome for learn uh, reading English with Vinaya Pitaka. What is Vinaya Pitaka? Overview. What is the meaning? Okay, we can learn. Read. Follow me with me. Vinaya Pitaka monastic rule. Vinaya Pitaka meaning monastic rule of Buddhist monk and nun. We can do. The Vinaya Pitaka is the made up of rules of the discipline laid down for regulating the conduct of the Buddha discipline, who have been meted a bhikkhu and bhikkhuni into order. This rule embody authoritative intuition of the Buddha on the modes of the conduct and the restraint on both physical and verbal action. They deal with transgression of discipline and with various categories of restraint and monetization and recording with the nature of the offending and meaning same regulating or and conduct the same we have the same meaning ที่ปฏิบัติที่เคารพปฏิบัติក្នុងធម៌អាវិន័យហ្នឹងណា Seven kind of aggression of offense អាបាតិបាត់ offense នេះស្មើអាបាត់នៃការគោរពឲ្យខុសឆ្គង Seven kind of transgression of offense or offense អាបាតិ The rule of the discipline, the first laid down by the Buddha, are called Molapanati. The road regulation, those supplements later are known Anapanasati. Together, they are known Sikkhapada, rule of the discipline. The act of the transgressing this rule of discipline thereby incurring a penalty by the guilty bhikkhu is called abati, with the mean reaching committing the offense for the which penalty are laid on may be classified under seven categories depending on their nature. Parajika category dependent on nature. One Parajika Sankha Disesa Tulachaya Pachitiya Paditheseniya Tukkata Tukkhasita on earn offense in the first category of offense. Parajika is classified as a stray offense. Anrukapati, which remediable etiquette and entail the failing of the offender from the bhikkhu. An offense in the second category, Sankhadisesa, is also classified as the square offense, but it is remediable. Sitekecha, the offender is put on probationary period of permanent, during which he has no undertake The certainty we call breathing ends, after which he is rehabilitated by the Sangha Assembly. The remaining five categories consist of the light of faith, the Lokapati, which are the remediable and incur the penalty of the having confessed the transgression to another, the bhikkhu, after the carrying out the prescribed penalty. The bhikkhu transgressor they become clean to of the offense. When and how the disciplinary rule were laid on for the 20 years after establishment after of, of the order, there were neither injunction nor rule concerning parachika and Sankhatisesa offense. The members of order of the early day were all Arya, the least advanced of 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 the of whom was a stream winner, one who had attained the first Makha fruition, and there was no need for prescribing rule relating to grave offense. But the year went by, Sankha grew in the strength, in the strength, in the strength. Undesirable element not having the purest of the motives, but attracted only by the fame and the gain of the bhikkhu, began to get into the Buddha order. Some 20 years after the founding of the order, it became necessary to begin establishing the rule relating to grave offense. It was through the bhikkhus certain negative of Kalanda be Vilagnia Vesely, who committed the offense of the having sexual intercourse with his ex-wife, that the first the Parajika rule came to promulgate it. It was the Laton to deter the bhikkhu from the indulging in sexual intercourse when the such as grave curse had risen, for which the Laton of the prohibitory rule that became necessary the Buddha convent and assembly of the bhikkhu. It was only after the question the bhikkhu concerned after the undesirability of the committing such as an offense has been made clear that sustained rule for later on in order to present future established by uh, natural natural matter. The Buddha also followed the precedent set by early Buddha. Using this, the supernormal power, he reflected on what rule the early Buddha would lay down under certain conditions. Then he adopted similar regulation to meeting regulation to meeting the situation that had arisen in his time. A mission of the Bhikkhuni in order after opening for Vasa residence the period of the reign after his establishment, the Buddha visits the Kapilavatthu, his the negative royal city at the request of his the early father King Suddhodana. At that time, Mahapajapotami Buddha foster mother request him to admit her into order. Mahapajapati was then alone in the desiring to join in order. 500 Sakaya lady whose husband had left the whole life were also eager to be admitted into the order. After his father death, the Buddha went back to Vesali. The rich Singh repeated the request the Mahapajapotami for admission into the order. Mission. The determined foster mother and the Buddha without the reason the disease, the company a 500 Sakaya lady made her way to Vesali where the Buddha we stay in the Mahavana in the Kotakara hall. Venerable Ananda saw them outside the gateway of the Kutakara hall that the laden with the swollen feet, dejected, fearful, standing and keeping. Our of the compassion for the lady. Venerable Ananda interacted with the Buddha on their behalf and entreated him to accept them in order. The Buddha continued to stand firm. But when Venerable Ananda asked the Buddha whether a woman were not capable attending Makka and Pola inside, the Buddha replied that women were indeed capable of capable បានន័យថាសមត្ថភាពអាចធ្វើអីមួយបានហ្នឹង so provide they leave the household like the here men folk. The Reverend Ananda made his interpreted again, saying that Mahapajati had been of the great while to the Buddha, waiting on him as his guardian and nurse, suckling him when his mother died. And as a woman were capable of attaining the Makka and Phala inside, she should be permitted to join order the become Bhikkhuni. The Buddha finally accepted to Ananda entreated Ananta if Mahapajapotami accept a special rule. Guru Dhamma let such acceptance mean her admission to the order. The age special rule are Bhikkhuni even if she enjoys seniority of 100 years in the order must pay respect to Bhikkhu, that he may have been a bhikkhu only for a day. 2. A bhikkhuni must not keep her residence in a place where there are no bhikkhu. Every fortnight, a bhikkhuni must do two things: to ask the bhikkhu sangha the day of Uposatha and approach the bhikkhu sangha instruction and admonition. 4. When the resident period is over, the bhikkhuni must attend a pavarana ceremony conducted at the both established of the bhikkhus and the bhikkhuni in each of the which she must invite criticism on what has been seen, what has been heard, or what has been suspected of her. 5. The bhikkhuni who has committed sankhatisesa often must undergo permanent for the half-month Matana in each assembly of bhikkhu and bhikkhuni. Admission to the order must be sought from both assembly by a woman, however only after 2 years probationary training as candidate. 7. A bhikkhuni should not revolt the bhikkhu any way, not even illegally. Okay, finish.